Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn with Confidence. In today's video, we'll be learning some essential English words that you'll use in daily conversations. These are words that will help you sound natural and confident when speaking English in everyday situations. Whether you're chatting with a friend, ordering food, or asking for help, these words will come in handy. So, let's get started. 1. Greetings and small talk. Every conversation begins with a greeting. Here are some commonly used words to start your day. Hi, a simple and friendly way to greet someone. Hello, a bit more formal than hi, but still casual. How are you? A question to check how someone is feeling. Good, a positive response, e.g., I'm good, thank you. The thanks, a quick way to show gratitude. These words are perfect for small talk and getting a conversation started. 2. Asking for help. We all need help sometimes, and these words will help you ask for assistance. Please, a polite way to ask for something. Can you? A common phrase to request help, e.g., can you help me? Could you? A more polite form of asking for help. I need. Use this to express a need, e.g., I need help. Excuse me, a polite way to get someone's attention. These words are useful for asking for help in any situation. 3. Expressing emotions. In everyday conversations, we often talk about how we feel. Here are some words to express your emotions. The happy, a word to describe feeling good. Sad, a word to describe feeling unhappy. The tired, a common way to say you need rest. Excited. Use this to describe when you're really looking forward to something. Angry, a word to describe frustration or displeasure. These words will help you express your feelings clearly in English. 4. Making requests. When you need something, these words are perfect for making polite requests. Can I? A polite way to ask for permission, e.g., can I have some water? C. I'd like. A formal way to express what you want, e.g., like a coffee. Please give me. A polite way to ask for something, e.g., please give me a minute. Do you mind? A phrase to politely ask if someone is okay with something, e.g., do you mind if I sit here? Would you like? A polite way to offer something, e.g., would you like some tea? These words will help you make polite and effective requests in English. 5. Giving directions. If you need to give or ask for directions, these words will be very helpful. The left, use this to indicate turning left. Right, use this to indicate turning right. Straight, use this when you want someone to continue going forward. Here, a way to point to a specific place, e.g., it's right here. Near, a word to describe proximity, e.g., it's near the park. These words are essential when giving directions or asking for them. 6. Asking for information. When you need to know something, these words will help you ask for the information you need. What? Use this to ask about things, e.g., what is this? Where? Use this to ask about places, e.g., where is the bathroom? When? Use this to ask about time, e.g., when does the train leave? Why? Use this to ask for reasons, e.g., why are you upset? How? Use this to ask for instructions, e.g., how do I get there? These words are great for gathering information in any conversation. 7. Common responses. When someone speaks to you, you'll need these words to respond. Yes, a simple affirmative response. No, a simple negative response. Okay, a word to show agreement or understanding. Sure, a casual way to say yes. I don't know. A way to say you don't have the answer. These words help you quickly respond to any conversation. 8. Making suggestions. When you want to suggest something to someone, these words will help you do it politely. Let's. A way to suggest an activity, e.g., let's go to the park. How about? A way to propose an idea, e.g., how about we grab lunch? Why don't we? A way to suggest something in the form of a question, e.g., Why don't we go for a walk? Uh, I think we should. A way to share your suggestion, e.g., I think we should leave now. What if we... A phrase to suggest an alternative, e.g., what if we try something new? These words help you make suggestions and plans with others. 9. Saying goodbye. Ending a conversation politely is important, and these words will help you do that. Goodbye. A formal way to say farewell. See you later. A casual way to say goodbye. Take care. A friendly way to wish someone well. Talk to you soon. A casual way to say goodbye when you'll speak again soon. Have a good day. A positive farewell to someone during the day. These words are perfect for wrapping up conversations on a friendly note. And that's it for today's video on daily used English words in conversations. Now you have a list of essential words to use every day in your conversations. Practice these words, and you'll sound more confident and fluent in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.